Good morning. Let's go with the first question. Who is aizoOn?
aizoOn is a global technology consultancy company. Our mission is to bring innovation to our customer through our know-how.
Okay, thank you. Where is your headquarters and where do your clients are mainly located?
aizoOn is an Italian company. Our headquarters is in Turin, but we are also present in Genova, Milan, Rome, and so on. We are present also in other European countries, and US and Australia. For this reason, our customers are in Italy as well, but also worldwide.
Okay, thank you. Okay, which industries are you looking at and which services do you offer them?
So, we are present in many different markets, from finance to government, from health to food to aerospace to naval, and obviously in the industrial sector. We offer different services from software engineering to data science, from cybersecurity to process innovation.
Okay, and talking about Opera MES specifically, which services do you offer?
Basically, we are a system integrator, which means that we follow the customer journey from the start of the process with analysis, the assessment, the design of the solution, and obviously the implementation, the testing, and the long-term support.
Why did aizoOn choose Opera MES as a solution?
Well, we choose Opera MES because it's a product that out of the box offers most of the important features that an MIS system should have. Moreover, it is easy to integrate and customize, so it allows us to provide a final product to our customer.
How would you describe the collaboration between the two companies?
Being already 6 years that we work together, for sure, I think it's a strong relationship, and we are very happy about the relation we have with Open Data. They are a good partner that support us on providing a good final result to our customer.
How would you describe Opera MES using only 3 words?
Well, I would say that Opera is simple, modern, and flexible.
Thank you.
Thanks to you.